Hello, I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. Elgato have a brand new microphone out called the Wave 3. Let's find out what it's like. So first of all the audio in this video is completely unprocessed. This is exactly what is coming out of the Elgato Wave 3 with no processing whatsoever. It's a USB-C microphone and it's got some pretty bold claims here on the box, including the fact it's got a anti-clipping technology included inside and a pop filter. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How does that sound? There is an optional accessory you can get for this mic that further guards those pops getting through, but I think that sounds pretty decent. Also, we can take a look at the anti-clipping technology. I've been really excited to try this out. So if you're doing game commentary and you get really excited, hopefully this won't clip too much, even though it will get really, really loud. So this design is an improvement on their original Wave microphone. It's a collaboration with Lewitt, and I know that Lewitt make great microphones. You might have seen my video about Lewitt microphones. I love Lewitt microphones, so I know already out the box this is going to be amazing. Talking about the box, inside you've got a little adapter nut if you want to put this onto a boom arm and use it that way. You've also got a very generous, lengthy USB-C to USB Type-A cable to plug it into your computer. And then looking at the front of the mic, you've got a twisty dial to turn the volume up and down. You can also select between headphone volume, also your mix volume, because using the WaveLink software that comes with this mic, you can mix in computer audio, like game in the background, and your voice. And you can, of course, adjust the volume of the microphone. Not only that, you've got zero latency monitoring on the back with the 3.5mm jack for your headphones as well. And with the latest update to Elgato Stream Deck that I use all the time, if you get version 4.8 and beyond, you will be able to control the microphone itself. So turn it up and down, change the mix of your computer audio, and all of that with one simple thing. So that's a summary of the new Elgato Wave 3. I'm really impressed with some of the technology packed into such a small microphone at such a great price point. One final thing, if you don't want to talk and you want to mute your microphone and you don't have a mixer, this kind of tries to get as much into the mic as possible. It's got a tap to mute, and what I really like about it is it's not a clicky button that goes like that, so you hear the click as you're pushing it. It's just a simple tap on top of the microphone, like that, and a completely silent way of muting. Very cool way, just tapping the top of the mic, the mute button on there, and it just works. So the Wave 3 from Elgato, it's out today. I really hope you enjoy using it, and if you're going to get this and use it, let me know how you'll be using it in the comments down below.